good morning. I give you moderator, my friend. All right, thank you so much for visit here in live Philippines. Thank you so much, and happy New Year, everyone. I love you all. This is our routine every morning. I'm only a security guard. Wake up, doing study. Okay. Are you a student, my friend? Study hard before love. But love is always here. Okay, thank you so much, and happy New Year to my friend. Hope your New Year is good and happy and good health. All right. This is our routine every morning. We have a scanner, alcohol for body spray to all our employees before enter in the office. We need this scanner and alcohol. Thank you so much, Reb. Alright, happy New Year, everyone. Shane, good morning. Alright, I give you moderator also. Thank you so much, everyone. Enjoy our life. Right? Yeah, we have many friends here in India, like Mukul Moria, Dingidi, yeah. Also, this is the scanner of like this. This is a scanner. And also this is the alcohol for spray the body for sanitize. Okay, thank you so much, my friend. Every morning, this is our routine. Yes, this is alcohol for body spray before enter our employees. We are scanner and spray, sanitize. Ayan. Time check is 7:58. Alright, 7:58.